Yeah, it's next to the
10 or 12 foot long.
Look at here.
He's coming right to the road.
Are you getting it?
Amazing.
Oh, look at the muscle.
He's going to go under your car,
Coming under
people.
your car now.
move. Move back.
Because the car won't move back behind him.
And he just might have crawled up in the engine.
No, he wouldn't do it.
He's completely under your car.
Looking for a walk.
We got ourselves a caravan. Oh, that's hilarious.
I'm there.
By the engine. Yo. I just said to the wife, I said, I wonder if there's any pythons.
Oh no!
Next thing you guys think, pythons.
Look what you've done.
Yeah, what I've done.
No problem.
Now everybody must suddenly run and see what he does when he's not looking.
Unbelievable.
You're lucky.
That was incredible.